Hello and welcome back to Primal Living. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make these healthy, low carb and creamy chocolate and raspberry chia puddings. Let's go. Grab yourself a bowl and add the following: 25 grams of cacao powder, 1 teaspoon of coffee, 4 tablespoons of agave nectar, 4 to 6 stevia drops and a pinch of salt. Whisk everything together. Add 2 cups of coconut milk to the mixture bit by bit and whisk until you end up with a creamy mixture that is free from any bits. You should end up with something smooth and milky like this. Add 85 grams of chia seeds and whisk once again. Grab yourself 4 glasses and evenly add the chia pudding between the 4 servings. Once done, cover and place in the fridge to set overnight or for 3 hours at the very least. Once set, you'll end up with a thick, creamy pudding just like this. I like to enjoy this chocolate chia pudding with a dollop of full-fat yogurt, fresh raspberries and mint, but feel free to add whatever you fancy. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy recipe video. If you did, then make sure you also check out my healthy fudgy hazelnut blondie brownies. Enjoy!